Alright, going to be installing this trailer brake controller on a 2000 Excursion using the factory wiring harness for it that's kind of hidden. So I'll show you where that's at, how to connect this up and install it. Some of these came with factory installed trailer brake controllers, mine did not. So let's get after it. First thing you're going to want to do is remove this panel here. It's got 4 push pins. You can just kind of stick your fingernail in there, push, turn, one in each corner. Once you do that, that whole panel comes out. Set that off to the side. So what you're looking for now, give you an idea of where we are. So that gray plug right there that is pushed into the frame kind of underneath and behind the radio, that is the plug you're going to need. So again, it's just push pins down into that metal. Link to these parts in the description. There's a part number. There's a part number for the brake controller I got. So the wiring harness here essentially gives you that plug that's going to go into that gray plug I just showed you, into this, which is going to go to the brake controller. Alright, so now that is clipped in there. One side you'll see has 3 little metal prongs in it, the other side has 1, so just make sure you've got the 3 metal prongs going to the side of the gray plug with 3 metal prongs in it. Alright, figured out where I wanted it. Kind of ran my cord back there to get it over in the general area where I'm going to want this thing mounted. And then ran the first screw in. They screw right in. I'm just using a drill, kind of low speed. It's just plastic. It'll bite right into that plastic. Alright, got everything all buttoned up here. Got that panel back on. Wires are nicely tucked away. So let's see if we got... There we go. It's working. So it's as easy as that. Like I said, I'll put the parts, a link to the parts in the description. Tools needed as well, which is literally a socket. Maybe a screwdriver to get those off if you can't get them with your fingers. And absolutely a project anybody should be able to do. If you can turn a wrench, you can do this. So I definitely wouldn't recommend paying anybody to install this. So let me know if you have any comments, questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.